YouTube. If you can see the tan interior, you can tell if you've seen my other videos, this is not my normal truck. My truck is in the shop getting some work done. And I have my old truck, which is a 2018 F350. Basically the same truck I have now, except with the less options. No sunroof, no upfitters. Stuff like that. Nothing really too big a deal. But I figured I'd do a cold start for you. It's been a steady breeze all night, with a wind chill around zero. Not too breezy right now, but whatever. But what's special about this cold start is I don't know what's buzzing, but I want to show you guys what a high mileage 6.7 will do, because this has almost 210,000 miles on it. It's like 200 and some miles short of it. So I'm going to call it 210,000 miles for a cold start. So let's go. Like normal. Still at 200 and what is it? 209, 784.2. Still fires right up. This truck, this has been a good truck. Nothing but regular maintenance, except it had belts. No, I know it had AC compressor, and there was something else wrong with it. I don't remember what. Radiator. Yeah, radiator went out on it. There was a leak. But for 210,000 miles, that ain't too bad. Not bad at all. So, yeah. We'll let this warm up for a few. Get the fluid circulating, and I'll put it in high idle, because it's cold. And this thing likes to be warmed up before you drive it, so. Or else the transmission doesn't like it too much. Alright, so it's been running a little bit. Here's our switch for the high idle. We wired this truck up differently because there's no upfitters. So we just have a lighted toggle switch. And there's the potentiometer, because he wanted to be able to adjust his idle. So we put it on the dash instead of in the kick panel like mine. But same deal. Set the parking brake, flip the switch. And the fan is on. Don't know why. This truck isn't as bad as mine with the rad fan, but that's one of the things I put on the list for the shop, is to check that out. So hopefully that'll be fixed. But once it warms up a little bit, it'll kick off and not be so obnoxious. On this truck, my truck, it just doesn't shut off. So, yeah. Not too shabby. We'll just let her run and warm up. So, there you go, 210,000 mile cold start and high idle. So thanks for watching. Hope that gives you guys some sort of idea about these engines and these trucks. So yeah, if you hear the fan right now, it's starting to drop off. And it's off. So there's nice and quiet. Not too loud anyway. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. You can leave a comment down below if you want to. There's links to my social media, Instagram, Facebook, both K30 Crazy, and other stuff down there in the description. So yeah, till next time, stay crazy and try to stay warm, people. Have a good one.